Hey there bosses, in this video I'll show you how to change the color and text of the Contact Me or Book Me button, which leads to the contact form. Just go into Settings from the top menu, then select Customization. Just scroll down to find the Contact Me button box right here, and then as an example you may want to change the text there on that button from Contact Me to, for example, Contact Your Name, Contact Amanda, whatever that is, to make it a little more personal. The changes are saved automatically. Now let's go to the Colors section from the left sidebar menu, find the Contact Me button color, and change it. Let's say to a nice bright pink. Again, the changes save automatically. Go back to your top menu, click on View Your Page, and you'll see here it now says Contact Amanda, and it's in your new pink color. If you want to do the same on a specific page, like an appointment page, let's click on Booking Pages here. Then Appointment. For example, this consultation call, click the three-dot icon, then Edit. Let's go to Customization here from the left sidebar menu. Then on this Font and Texts page, look for the Contact Me button. The same goes for color customizations. You can either stick with the global settings or override it for a specific page, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps.